She's still cringing.
Come on, dog.
I don't want it to break the glass in my face.
Woo! It's wet snow, isn't it?
Marley,
Okay, now. She's right here by the
I
house.
got you.
Now we need a snowman, Levi.
You got snow, Levi?
Hey,
Huh?
can we build a snowman?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Start with a snowball. Just a little.
You gonna build a snowman back here
Mark.
or in the front?
Oh, we should do it in the front, shouldn't we?